तुमका मोगाचो येवका।
To teach your children and yourself, we from Vishwa Konkani Kendra have started a beautiful Learn Konkani classes. Speaking Konkani, how to speak and spread the Konkani language. There are several classes taking place regularly with teachers and students. Please see them and show it to your children also. We also have a learnkonkani.in website attached to our beautiful website. This also gives 34 lessons in where Konkani can be learned by you and your student in a very simple way taught by a trained Konkani teacher. You are welcome to these classes and website. Do teach your children how to speak good Konkani.
Diva and Dhwani. Now we are learning second lesson. Diva आणि ध्वनी. आता आम्ही दुसरो पाठ सुरू करूया. This is a tiger. हो एक वाघ. This is a tiger. हो एक वाघ. ध्वनी, tell your friends what is this?
हो एक वाघ. This is a tiger.
दिवा, है कसले? What is this?
हो एक वाघ. This is a tiger.
दिवा, what will you tell? तू किती सांगता?
इंडियान तू मस्त वाघ आसाची. तुम्ही पळया. There are many tigers in India. Do come and see. इंडियान तू मस्त वाघ आसाची. तुम्ही पळया.
This is our national animal. हो आमचो राष्ट्रीय मनजात. टायगर आमचो राष्ट्रीय मनजात. This is a bird. ही एक पक्षी. This is a bird. ही एक पक्षी. दिवा, tell them what is this?
हो एक मोर. This is a peacock. हो एक मोर.
ध्वनी, मोर कसले करता?
मोर डान्स करता. A peacock dances.
मोर किती करता?
मोर
डान्स करता.
A peacock dances.
Now the girls will tell you what is this. Now the girls will tell you what is this. Diva, what is this? Diva, है कसले?
This is your house. है तुमगेले घर.
ध्वनी, you tell, है कसले?
This is your house. ये तुमगेले घर.
Now please tell what is this. है कसले म्हणू सांग. ध्वनी, है कसले म्हणू सांग.
हे आमगेले घर. This is our house.
दिवा, है कसले म्हणू सांग. What is this?
है आमगेले घर. This is our house. है
आमगेले घर.
This is
our house.
है आमगेले घर. Girls, tell them what is this? तांका है कसले म्हणू सांग. दिवा, what is this? दिवा, है कसले?
है तुमगेले school. This is your school.
ध्वनी, you tell. ध्वनी, है कसले?
This is your school. है तुमगेले school.
है तुमगेले school. This is your school. है तुमगेले school. Girls, tell them, what is this? है कसले. दिवा, what is this? है कसले.
है आमगेले school. This is our school. है आमगेले school.
ध्वनि, है कसले.
है आमगेले school. This is our school.
है
आमगेले
आमगेले
school.
This is
This
our
our
school.